everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share top 5 serums available in India with you. These serums are best for extra hydration and glow, good to treat dull skin, also protect against sun damage. These work great for problems like acne, dark spots and pigmentation. So without delay, let's get to it. The first one is the Key Vitamin C Serum. Comes in an attractive orange and white glass bottle. It comes with triple vitamin C and blood orange. It is effective in treating hyperpigmentation and dull skin. This serum helps to boost collagen, giving you a spotless glowing skin. The price of this vitamin C serum is Rs 695 only. The second one is Moody Vitamin C Serum. Comes in a small cute pastel yellow glass bottle. This serum reduces hyperpigmentation, protects against photo damage, making your skin look brighter, hydrates adequately, leaving your skin moisturized and plump. This serum is beginner friendly, priced at Rs 699 only. The packaging of this serum is quite impressive. It comes in a premium dark glass bottle. This contains Alpha Arbutin, vitamin C and blueberry. Its texture is very smooth and non-sticky. This serum helps in reducing pigmentation, gives a brighter complexion. It's vegan and suitable for both men and women. Priced at Rs 650 only. This serum comes in a plastic bottle. It is travel friendly and has a pump dispenser. This serum is formulated with 15% L-ascorbic acid, which is the purest form of vitamin C. Gives an immediate glow lasting throughout the day. Reduces pigmentation and acne scars. Evens out skin tone and shows visible improvement from dull tired skin to bright glowing skin in just 5 days. This serum is priced at Rs 595 only. Our fifth one is the Nature's Essence Radiance Boosting Serum with 24K gold. This comes in a transparent glass bottle. The texture of this serum is very light and I love the tiny gold particles in this. This serum helps in enhancing natural glow, repairs and nourishes skin, promotes skin regeneration and also protects the skin from sun damage. It is priced at Rs 400 only. You can also use this serum before applying foundation for that natural radiant glow. Friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.